All right, so today we have a new knee brace. So thanks to this company for sending this knee brace to me. This is the little packaging that it actually arrived in. 70% nylon, 30% spandex, washing instructions, sizes, etc. Let's got a little pull tab. I like that. Nothing else in there. Wow, very nice looking and nice feeling. So yeah, there's some metal on the side to help brace. Very nice. And then the pad right here for your knee to go. Got a model number and color and size in here. And yeah, your knee should just slide right in and look pretty nice in here. Let me have my wife try this one on and we'll show you what it looks like actually on somebody. All right, so this is knee brace on my wife's leg. She thinks it's pretty comfortable, right?
Oh yeah, very comfortable.
Great for if you're needing a knee brace. So also super soft and really doesn't look too bad. So thanks again to this company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.